In this video, we'll be carrying out the testing of the system. We will be looking at different units and components of the system and how they are integrated to the system altogether later on. And we will start with the login. First, I will activate the timer. This is for us to note down the performance of the system. So while we are performing the test, so we can note down the time when the test was started, and we can pause the screen to video to note down when the test ended and how much time it took. So let's begin. Login. My email and password is saved already, so I just click login and it logs directly into the system. I have logged in the admin side. We are on our home page. You can go to our about page. It takes less than 5 seconds to load the page, as you can see, but again, we will state that in the report as well. Contact page. We can People can send us messages through the contact page. So let's send message. I will enter this email, some message. Message has been sent successfully. I created a Gmail account for our system, name this as a Car Care Plus Insurance. So yeah, I got the email and the message has been received. Okay, and so this is working properly as expected. Can manage vehicle. So first of all, let's create the vehicle. Click on create button. This is a drop down for a customer. This number plate, I can say anything, any plate number, brand Toyota, models, type, private, max value, let's say 75,000. Auto, manufacturer, let's say 2023. No, it's not for business, it's for personal use. Let's create. As you can see, this vehicle has been created. We can click on the detail to see the details of the vehicle created, and we can click on edit here. You can edit this detail. Let's change the license number to 666 and click save. And as you can see, the number has been changed. Click on edit. I can edit again. I want to edit it. Let's go back. I want the details again. Yep, the details. You can change this successfully. Let's go back. Now let's perform the deletion of this newly created vehicle. Let's click delete. Will take us to this page, and then click delete again. The vehicle has been deleted. So we can search for the vehicle by simply entering the number plate H699 and click enter, and should display only information of this particular vehicle. So this is working fine. Moving on to manage user. Let's create a user. Let's create a customer first. So click on register. So I will enter the details here. Testing user, customer, let's say customer. And testing customer. Oh, is fine. Phone number is 0123456778. Say date of birth, address, Let me enter this to save time. TIN number 012, license number, mail, let's say password. To keep things simple, so I also don't forget the password, I'll just say admin at 123, or let's say no, customer at 123, and we enter this. So I have not missed anything here. Okay, click create, register. System creates the testing customer, and it logs me in the system as a testing customer. So this is working fine. Let me log out, log in as admin again, just to see if it appears in the admin side as well. A new customer has been created or not. So let's go to manage users, manage customer. Oh yes, and then we have this testing customer. We can view the details of the customer just clicking on the details. And all the information that will be this information is later entered by other system users, so that is no issue. We can edit this as well and enter the details here. So let's make changes here. Let's say testing. Let's say testing customer again, and let's make changes to the PIN number. Let's say 66, and phone number. Let's say 66. That's fine. Bank name, testing, M-Pesa, my cash. Save. Okay, yes, I have to enter this. 15/4/1990. Save. Yeah. So this has been entered and it has changed. So we can view the details, edit the details. Now we're going to delete the details. I think I missed the details. Let me click the detail button. Yeah, so we can see the details. The same page. We can edit this here as well. Go back. And now we can simply click on delete. And it will ask me, am I sure? I will say yes. Delete. The testing user has been deleted. Awesome. So this is successful as expected. Moving on to admin user. So these users who are admin will have access to the admin panel, and therefore they will be able to have access to different roles like admin, insurer, policy manager, finance officer, etc. So let's create one admin user. So, so testing admin. So let me start testing admin 4, phone number 012. So let's go admin first. Mail, password, admin at 123, admin at 123, register. Yes, save. Okay, it has user was created successfully, and I'm logged in as testing admin user. So let me log out and log in from admin 4. Let's see, let's go to users, manage admins. Yes, as you can see, we have testing admin here. We can edit the details. Testing admin again. Let's change this to claims officer. Gender, male, to save. Okay, so this person is a claims officer now. So log out and log in as testing user again. Testing admin, sorry. So they should have access to only claims. Yeah, that is correct. Previously, we have had given them the role of admin, so we could see all the access to all the links that the admin had. But now, right now, it's just claims because this we have changed the role. So if I log out now, this is successful. And now let me log in as admin 4. Go back to manage users, manage admins. I will delete this user. And let's delete this. Delete use policy. Let's click on create button. You can enter the testing policy. Testing policy, let's say some description is covered to fixed value 50,000, maximum value 7,000, sorry, minimum value 7,000 and maximum, let's say 15. Okay, let's click create. Yeah, so testing policy has been created. I already have one other test policy, so no problem. Okay, this is successful. Can click on details. I can view the details. I can click on edit. I can go change this to 999, something like this, and again click save. So changes do save. Click details. Yes, can back to the list. Let's delete this now, and it has been deleted. Successful delete from the system, and let's delete this one again as well. Delete this one as well. Okay, yeah. As you can see, all these tasks are being performed, I believe, less than 5 seconds, so it's very quick. But this is again running on my local machine. This is not deployed yet. And once it is deployed, it depends on the network speed of the user. So, but on its own, it's very smooth and it's very fast. Okay, so moving on to this one, manage policy. Let's create a cover. Let's go to create button. This is, let me go back. What is orange share? Okay. Let's say testing cover. Let's keep it simple. Description, some description value. Let's give it 400. Minimum value is, let's say, 100. Maximum is 50, and it's great. Yeah, it has been created. Testing cover has been added to the system. Details pack. We can edit this and update this in the system. These are like this can be managed, so that's no problem. Okay, let's just edit this as well because we are here. Click on edit and just change it to 4,500. Why not? And then click save. Yeah, so it's working. Manage premium cover. So we will create the cover here. Let's click create and we can select what we want to cover. Let's say windshield cover and premium ID. Let's say 3. Click create. Yeah, as you can see, it has been added. You can click details. You can view the details and go back to the list. And then if I refresh this page, should be available. Yes, it's still here. And then we can delete this as well. Click delete, and it has been removed from the system. Moving on to manage premium. So this is where we can see the information regarding which customer has which premium, their sum, and other details. So let's create one. So let's do this for customer 13. This vehicle already, the system already picks the vehicle details such as the vehicle number plate. So we want deluxe name, let's say testing, premium cover, description, we can say some description, mod, mm, let's say 3 months, and create. And yes, if I remove this a little bit side and click details, yes, so it has been successfully created. Let's edit this. We can say edited and change this to 6 months and false and save. Okay, this is taking a little bit time. Oh no, breakpoints. I thought I have removed this. Save and continue. Yes, so let's perform this test again because due to breakpoints, the system paused. So let's try this again. Edit, edit it again. Let's say some text. Let's say yearly. Let's give it true. Let's change this to intermediate and save. Yeah. If I click details now, yes, so I can see the details quickly and as well. So this has been updated as well. Okay, awesome. So manage claim. So claims basically customers can lodge a complaint, but admins also have access to this feature. So I will show you from the admin side for now. So right now there's one claim already in the system. We can see the details of that claim. We can edit that claim. So let's add a comment from the officer side. Some comment, major decision. Let's approve, closed, not closed yet. Save. Yeah. So click details. You can see. So and yes, you can get the notifications. Likewise, we can create new claims. Let's say which premium ID we want to create the claim. Let's say three, sum insured. Claim sum is, for example, let's say 50,000. Description, some description. Create. So automatically it will pick the details for the premium ID3 as well. So this should be this is reflected inside the claim section of the customer who has taken this premium ID. Okay, so yeah, go back to list. Now perform. Let's delete this. Yes, and it has been deleted successfully. Payments. So payments are basically done through finance manager. So once the customer pays to finance manager can update that information inside the system. And let's say there has been a payment made for premium ID 3. Some paid is, let's say, 5,000. Description, we can add description here. So I will just give a comment here, some description. We click create. Yeah, we can see the details here. The payment has been made. ID 12, premium ID 3. Yes. Back to list. So that is all from the admin side. Let me log in from the customer side. I believe this customer was deleted. So I guess maximum customer 13. Yes, customer 13 is available. Save. I save this. Notifications that they're getting. Fine. So if customers will be able to view premium, they can click on the details and view the information. Go back to list. Likewise, they can view payments that they have made. See the information. So I made one 5,000 payment for testing purpose, so they can see for which premium ID, some paid, date, everything, and they can also search for it using the premium ID, I believe. And after that, they can manage vehicle. So manage vehicle, like they should be able to create a new vehicle. So let's create a testing vehicle. Number number plate. Let's say test one. Brand. Let's say Toyota model. Test type. Let's say private. Max value of this vehicle is 65,000. Auto year manufactured 2023. For personal use only. Create. So the test vehicle has been added to the system. They can view these details. They can edit the details. Let's say test. Edit save. Yes, and they can see the customers. The vehicle has been added. And then once they have added their vehicle into the system, they can get the premium, the policy cover from the insurer side. Manage vehicle, okay, manage claim. Yes, so we can create claims as well for customer. And these claims are later approved and disapproved by the admin and insurer, those who have access to the admin side. But this is for the customer side. So let's create claim. Premium ID 3, claim sum, let's say 4,500. Description, some description, test, create. Okay, so if we click details, we can provide the details as well here. And then the if officer made the comment manager, they will appear here. Let's view for the this part. Yes, so when I made the comment, they are appearing here. Previously, as you can see, we can test. So I guess that is all. Searching part is also is working. Let's say we can search for the divided 3, and yes, it appears. So I believe That is all for the customer side as well. And this basically shows overall integration of all small units, small components that are working together as a whole system, and provides an overview of the whole system and how everything combines together, and how different users are able to log in using their own logins separately, and carry on their own tasks and have access restrictions as well, which I will talk about more in the next video. That will be our security test. But that will be all for this. Thank you.